Building my own gym business. How do I do that? Building your own gym business is a high risk activity when you're starting off, because you've got the overheads, lots of overheads of the premises, and you've got to buy lots of equipment, and you've got to hire staff and trainers, and you've got to advertise and hope you can find enough people locally to make your business profitable. But if you've already got a gym business, the way to build it is to improve your marketing, to get more of the local people actually taking part in gym, using the gym to get fit and improve their health. So you've got to promote the health benefits of your gym, or a gym in general, and your gym, why your gym's different from anyone else's, why they should come to you, not go to the one down the road. If you can do that, you're well on the way to building a business. If you want to know more, click the link in the description below, or reach out to me, Philip Allen, at masterbuildingyourbusiness.square.site. I look forward to helping you build your own gym business.